Molecular orbital theory, next part. Molecular orbital theory outcomes, MOD, already discussed in the first video. Number 2, bond order calculation, strength of the bond, stability of the molecule, and existence of the molecule. MOD already discussed in the first video. Bond order, strength, stability, and existence of the molecule. Bond order calculating formula: sigma sp1 sigma star sp1 pi 2py pi 2pz sigma sp2 pi star 2py pi star 2pz and then sigma star sp2. So bond order equals to half of number of bonding orbitals minus number of antibonding orbitals. Suppose A single bond P. Single bond means bond order equals to 1. A double bond B. Bond order equals to 2. A triple bond B. That means bond order equals to 3. Next, calculation of bond order for O2 2 minus. O2, that means 8 plus 8, that means 16 proton, contains 16 electrons. But for sp interaction, we will calculate from 2s orbital. So, number of electrons present in O2 molecules, 6 plus 6, that means 12 electrons. O2 2 minus another 2 electrons, that means 2 electrons. Total number of electrons 14 electrons. If we calculate the bond order, then sigma sp1 sigma star sp1 pi 2py pi 2pz pi star sigma sp2 pi star 2py pi star 2pz and then sigma star sp2. Total 14 electrons. Oxygen molecule contains 16 electrons, but we will starting from 2s orbital. That means 6 plus 6 12 electron, for 2 minus adding another 2 electrons and 14 electrons. The 2 total 14 electrons. So bond order equals to number of bonding electrons, 8 minus number of antibonding electrons, 6 by 2. That means 2 by 2 equals to 1. So O2 2 minus bond order equals to 1. But oxygen molecules bond order equals to total 12 electrons. So 2 2 2 2. Total number of bonding electrons 8 minus number of antibonding electrons, 2 are 2, 4 by 2. That means 4 by 2 2. So O2 2 minus bond order 1, O2 bond order 2. What is the meaning of bond order 1 and what is the meaning of bond order 2? But we have already discussed single bond means bond order 1, double bond means bond order 2, triple bond means bond order 3. So the bond order of O2 2 minus 1 means oxygen single bond? No. Bond order 1, bond order 2 means the strength of the bond decreases with decreasing bond order. Strength of the bond decreases with decreasing bond order. So bond strength directly proportional to bond order. So bond strength of O2 2 minus less than the bond strength of normal oxygen molecule. With decreasing bond strength, stability of the molecule decreases. So bond order of O2 2 minus 1, that means stability of O2 2 minus less than the stability of normal oxygen molecule or neutral oxygen molecule. Suppose bond order equals to 1.5. What is the meaning of bond order 1.5? 1.5 with respect to bond order 1. So stability of the molecule increases with respect to bond order 1. But stability of the molecule decreases with respect to the bond order 2 or 3. This is the meaning of the bond order. And that's why calculation of bond order is very, very important in molecular orbital theory. After calculating bond order, we will conclude the actual stability of the molecule. If bond order negative or bond order 0, that means there is no existence of the molecule. If bond order negative or bond order 0, that means there is no existence of the molecule.